Fine windy day. We got Federal PD 4-buck. We're going to take a 100-yard shot with it. Out of a 410 Rossi, single shot, modified choke. This is 3-inch at 100 yards. We're going to see what we can get on paper. All right, here we go. 100 yards, 410 buckshot. We're just going to see if we can even hit the board down there. 3-inch. This is number 4 buck. That ain't just a little high. I think we hit dirt before we even hit the board. But I see a mark down there too. That might have been the wad. Let's go take a look. That ain't just a little high. I think we hit dirt before we even hit the board. We got bored. Ha! I'm actually surprised. Now, yeah, 100 yards, 410. We got 1, 2, 3 hit the board. I am totally amazed right now. I am absolutely amazed. 100 yards. I was aiming right here. But anyway, 410, 3-inch personal defense. These are the Federal PD 4-buck, 100 yards, modified choke barrel, Rossi. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. 1, 2, 3 on the board. I guess that was the wad that hit the dirt back yonder. Good deal. Thanks for watching. And if you think I was just pointing at stuff at the board, here you go. Hole. We actually have one of the buckshot right there, copper, and a hole down there. Boom, boom, boom. That's pretty cool.